Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up TunnelBear VPN on your computer. First, open your web browser and go to tunnelbear.com. On the homepage, click the button that says Get TunnelBear. You will be asked to create a free account with your email address and a password. After you sign up, choose the version that matches your operating system, either Windows or Mac. The installer file will start downloading. When the download is finished, open the file to start the installation. Follow the instructions on screen. On Windows, click Next and Install, and on Mac, drag the TunnelBear icon into the Applications folder. The installation will take a short moment. Once it is done, open the TunnelBear app. Sign in using the email and password. You will see a world map with tunnels that represent different countries. Before you connect, your system may ask for permission to allow TunnelBear to make changes to your network settings. Click Allow or Yes so the app can work properly. To connect, choose a country on the map or from the list, and then flip the switch at the top of the app to On. The bear animation will show that it is tunneling. After a few seconds, you are connected. You are now using TunnelBear VPN. Thanks for watching.